Hey, what's happening, everybody? So in this video, I'm going to go over how to use this set of sentence frames to help you get the ball rolling with your writing. The goal today is for you to pull evidence from a source and you to interject with your own voice. And there's a few ways that we can do that today. Your group is really just going to have to make some stylistic choices. What you have in front of you is called a fallacy analysis, tonal variance. So there are three sets of sentence frames you could use to interject your voice with somebody else. All right. And it just really depends on the voice that you want to have as a group with whatever modality that you're choosing. So with that said, let's go over the variants that you could choose from to structure your presentation of information. Your group could choose variant A if you want your group to sound more like investigative journalist or an objective journalist, excuse me. You could choose variant B structure, which would give your group more of like an advocacy campaign kind of feel. Or you could choose variant C, which would give your group the tone of a skeptical detective. Really, it just comes down to the decisions your group makes and how you guys want to sound. So talk it out. But let me show you what, no matter what structure you choose, you're going to have the following. You're going to have to quote from the source. You're going to have to pull direct quotes from the article. You're going to have to explain the problem. So my reminder for you is, so what? So the person committed a fallacy. Why is that wrong? Why is that misinformation? Why is that misleading? And if you can't answer that, then you're really not picking out the problem. All right. So what's the so what? You need to explain the problem and supplement with your own evidence. So you have to do a bit of outside research for this. Find articles related to the topic that we were exploring. Okay. So once again, you have to quote, explain, and supplement with your own evidence. And here are what the variants look like. This will help you structure this. And keep this in mind. When my writers often forget that because they put things in bullet points, it all goes in one paragraph. So you need to have these elements in your work. And I have provided you some frames. So you might start by, if you chose variant A, for example, the author's statement, quote them, okay, exemplifies what fallacy. So Chavarria is cherry picking when he says this. Why is that problematic? Follow the sentence frame there. And then you're going to supplement with more evidence. So you might say a more defensible position would incorporate, and then you're going to pull evidence from the articles that you're using. All right. And same for B and C. And altogether, your work, your information that you type might look something like this. Or if you're doing like a stage debate, it might look something similar to this. So follow these. And I'm excited to see what you guys create today. Work hard, ask questions, help each other out.